Cut to a person sitting on their couch, watching Netflix. Are you tired of spending hours on Netflix without earning anything in return? Imagine being able to earn money while watching your favorite series. This is possible thanks to the NCS method. The person sits up and begins to listen intently. The NCS method is a simple system that allows you to earn money by watching Netflix. Just follow a few simple steps and you can start earning money right away. The person nods and listens. Here's how it works. After purchasing our program, you will receive detailed instructions on how to set up your Netflix account to start earning money. Then you can watch series and movies selected for you, and you will be paid for every minute watched. The person seems surprised and interested. Our program also offers complementary products to help you maximize your earnings, such as tips for finding the best series to watch and tips for increasing your viewing rate. And best of all, we offer tempting commissions of 70% on the entire funnel, including upsell and downsell offers. The person smiles and looks impressed. So what are you waiting for to start making money watching Netflix? Click the link in the description below to learn the NCS method and start making money right now. The person smiles and takes out their phone to learn more about the NCS method.